no idea as to how a film is being received on what level, right? At times the film is made with a lot of conviction and faith, and like I said, it's loosely based or is inspired by true life incidents, and so there is nothing that is authenticating it and saying that this is exactly, these are the flow of events that happened. It's just like I said, एक era लिया है और उसके दौर के साथ क्या क्या इंसिडेंट्स हुए और एक फैमिली के ऊपर हमने कहानी बेस की. देयर इज इवन द कैरेक्टर बंदा सिंह चौधरी इज नॉट एक्चुअली अ real life character. So there we have already have a disclaimer that this is not based on that. Apart from that, like I said, the film is made with the right intention. It's a film on national integration. There is nothing that is bringing to light anything about any community or any person or anything which is going to be shown in that light. वो तो हर फिल्म के अंदर एक नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर होता है, एक विलन होता है और एक हीरो होता है. अब आप बोलो कि ये नेगेटिव एक्टर कौन है, किसका नाम क्या है, ये किस से बिलोंग करता है. नाउ दैट वी आर नॉट, ऑब्वियसली वी films have been made for the longest time. You have to name certain characters, you have to show what profession they are from and all that stuff. So I don't think we should look too deep into it. It's a story, it's a film, and it's made for an entertainment purpose, and it has got no malicious attitude or whatever intent. It's done with all true intentions. So it's a story that has been told, that's it.